Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML CSS tutorial for beginners to the advanced level. So quickly right now, we'll be discussing about the CSS ID selector. The ID selector uses the ID attribute of an HTML element to select a specific element. The ID of an element is unique within a page. So ID selector is used to select one unique element. To select an element with a specific ID, write a hashtag character followed by the ID of the element. As you can see, in this example right here, the CSS rule below will be applied to the HTML element with ID para. As you can see, we are having this para with the hashtag first, then the para one, as you can see. So note one thing right here: an ID name cannot start with a number. So I'm going to show you how this works quickly. Let's get back to our document. Right here, we are having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the HTML syntax and also where we discussed about the HTML element selector. As you can see, here is our HTML element selector. So right now, we want to specify this using our ID selector, the CSS ID selector. So in our previous tutorial, this is our element, this is our CSS element selector, and right now we are going to use our CSS ID selector. So follow along please. Right now, to use ID selector, you are going to use hashtag. When we use hashtag like this, let's save our document and reload. Can you see our color and our text align have destruct? So now let's use the ID. Let's use ID of let's just use P and save our document again. Let's reload our document. Can you see nothing happens? Yeah. And now let's use our curly braces for declaration. Let's declare a color. Declare our color. I won't be able to discuss about this more because we have discussed about it in our previous tutorial. Let's declare color first. Let's reload our document. Can you see it's not displaying? And also let's give it another value again. Text align center. Let's save our document and reload it again. Can you see nothing is happening? You know the reason why nothing is happening? The reason why is that we haven't specified ID value in our HTML document right here. So I'm going to specify. I'm going to do what? I'm going to specify ID attribute. Now inside our HTML, can you see inside our HTML right here? I'm going to specify ID attribute. Let's save our document and reload. You are going to see what will happen. Can you see nothing is showing yet? So on heads we write a name. The name we are having after our hashtag here is the one we are going to copy. We are going to use it, copy it and paste it here. Let's save it and reload our document. Can you see now we are having our color and text aligned to the center? And back to this our document. Let's say for instance now you copy all this along with the hashtag, you place it inside here. You are going to have an error. It's not going to display anything. Let's reload our document. Can you see it's not working? Definitely any ID that is having this hashtag cannot go with our CSS selector. You cannot never have it with it. So on heads you remove the hashtag from it, then the p tag will be the element that the ID name. Can you see the ID name is this, and this is the ID selector, and this is the ID name. This hashtag represent the ID and the is equal to and the double colon, while double quote, and why this p tag represent the value which we specify here. Now let's change this value to anwar. Let's reload our document. Can you see we don't find any color and text align again? Let's come back here and give it anwar. Let's reload our document. Can you see we have our color back? And now let's do another thing. Let's say we give it a dash and we give akorede. Let's reload our document right here. Can you see it's not working again? Or else we come here again also and give it akorede. Then reload your document. Can you see it's working? And now right here, this one cannot contain theory. This can never contain anything like that. Can you see it's not working? So you have to specify hashtag for it to work. And never forget, don't put hashtag behind your value right here behind your id value in the html tag so that it can work. Let's remove it. Now let's reload our document. Can you see it's working? And again, you can do as much as you want. Let's do another one. Ayofe. Let's write another thing. Let's write another thing right here. Let's write ayofe. So don't forget, as you can see, when I click tab, this hashtag automatically generated for. Let's delete it and save our document now. Can you see it's still working? And also you can do it in another dimension. You can just do it. You can do it in low small letter also, or you can do it together like this, akorede, and it will still work nicely. Let's reload our document. We are trying different options. Can you see it's still working nicely? And also you can do small letter. Let's remove. Let's call it small letter. Let's say we call this one with small letter, and the one in our the id selector in our css is capital letter. It will never work. Let's reload our document. Can you see it's not working? So unless we use the capital letter also here. So let's save our document now and reload. Can you see it's working now? So let's say this one is not in a small letter. Can you see it's not working? Or else we change this one also. We can also change this one also to small letter, and it will still work. This one also can be in small letter. Everything can be in small letter if you want. I'm trying different options for you guys. Different options. Can you see it's still working? So now I think we have done, so we have completed something using our css selector. This is our topic for today. I think I will need to stop for here. I will need to stop right here. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time to our next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Don't forget, practice make perfect.